Imagine you're on a safari, and you see a group of elephants standing together. Suddenly, one elephant lets out a deep rumble, and within moments, the entire herd starts moving in the same direction. It's as if they all just got a secret group text. But guess what they did? Animals have incredible ways of communicating, some of which are even more sophisticated than our own. We humans pride ourselves on language, but the animal kingdom has been talking, warning, guiding, and even gossiping long before we ever learned to write. From whispering ants to chatting whales, nature is full of secret languages we're only beginning to understand. One of the most fascinating examples comes from dolphins. These intelligent creatures don't just make random noises, they use signature whistles to call each other by name. Imagine if instead of calling your friend John, you had to whistle a unique tune every time you wanted to get his attention. Dolphins have even been observed remembering these whistles for decades. Talk about never forgetting an old friend. And it's not just dolphins, elephants are communication experts too. They use low-frequency rumbles that travel through the ground for miles, warning others of danger or calling distant family members. It's like sending a WhatsApp message, but with their feet. Scientists have even found that elephants can distinguish between human languages, knowing which ones belong to people who pose a threat and which ones are safe. Then, we have bees, the tiny mathematicians of the insect world. When a worker bee finds a new flower patch, it doesn't just return to the hive and buzz excitedly, it does a full waggle dance. This dance tells other bees the exact distance, direction, and quality of the food source. It's GPS navigation, but with dance moves. Crows and ravens are notorious for their intelligence, and their communication skills prove it. These birds have been seen warning others about dangerous humans and even teaching their young to avoid specific individuals. Some studies suggest they can even hold grudges for years, so be nice to the crows around you, or you might end up on their most wanted list. Meanwhile, wolves don't just howl for fun, it's their way of staying connected with their pack, even when they're miles apart. A lone wolf howling isn't just a sad sound in the night, it's a message saying, "Where are you?" and waiting for an answer. And let's not forget the octopus, a creature so mysterious that scientists still don't fully understand its intelligence. Octopuses communicate using color changes on their skin, flashing different patterns to express emotions, warn predators, or even camouflage instantly. It's like having a built-in mood ring, except it actually works. But some of the most impressive communication happens between different species. Think of oxpecker birds, who ride on rhinos and zebras. They don't just clean the animals by eating parasites. They also act as alarm systems, making specific calls when predators are near. That's the ultimate win-win friendship. So, what does all of this tell us? Animals aren't just surviving, they're talking, sharing, and even forming relationships, just like us. Whether it's through sound, movement, scent, or even electric signals, communication is everywhere in the wild. The next time you're outside, listen closely, you might just hear an animal sending a message. Whether it's birds gossiping in the trees or ants whispering in the dirt, the natural world is full of conversations happening all around us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secret language of animals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, you might even learn a new language straight from nature.